Whew, it's a hot one. What do we got today? 91 degrees at before 11 o'clock. Good morning, everybody. KI6NAZ, Hash Nasi. I'm going over to the HRO in Anaheim for Ham Jam. It's already 91 degrees. Wow, it's gonna be a hot day. Let's get to it. So this is the Gordon West wagon, a Malibu Classic. He's got a full rig in here. Actually, many full rigs. A little solar.
Using the hot seat.
Okay, so you've got the local hotspot. Is that what you got here?
Oh, for the HRI 200?
Yeah.
Wireless Xbox? Yeah. Okay, we're in the memory right now. Going to the VFO. Here, 14577. Push that. Sends a command to the box. There you go.
Oh, so it's just 145770 simplex. That's
Simplex.
it?
That's it.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Oh, so that's simple.
You push this X button,
Yep.
and it sends a connection command to the box. The
Yep.
box establishes a connection.
Oh, okay. I didn't
then-
realize it was simplex. That's easy. So
Yeah.
that makes it really simple.
Super simple.
Okay. Shane at HRO, thanks for the help.
You betcha.
Right on. And you love the radio, right? Because you own one yourself? Seal of approval? Watch out.
I'm filming here, for God's sake.
Yeah.
Before we do that, though, I want to make a comment for everybody to hear. It's amazing when people think they're going to get something for free. It's really quiet. Very good. We appreciate that. Anyway, point is, what I want to make sure everybody understands is that everything that's being given away today is as a result of donations primarily from manufacturers.
A mobile hotspot with your DMR radio mobile. That's the way to do it. Is this internet right here or power?
Just power.
Okay.
Just only one here. This is the battery.
Wow.
And the guy who wrote me in when I started 20 years ago is somebody whose reputation I really try to maintain. A gentleman named Dale Beeford, KD7UB, who is now Silent Key. But I believe it is my responsibility to make sure that everybody understands how Dale would have done this. That's the way I do it. Yeah. Janet appreciates that. Anyway, first prize is a, excuse me, I keep stepping on my cord.
Lucky.
First prize is a PowerWorks bag that includes not only power poles and associated stuff,
Oh, wow.
also the tool, okay, to actually put them on. Thank you very much, PowerWorks. We really appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome.
And somebody will, oh, shut up.
So I've got Clint. Clint, I asked you a question. You've got some great antenna setups here. I've got a D72, and I was asking, what's a good HT to get somebody started on working? I guess FM satellites is where people start?
The easy to work birds. 15 years ago, I walked by an AMSAT table thinking I needed 100 watts of power, dual Yagis on the roof,
Yep.
which are grounds for divorce in California. But when I found out you could work a couple birds with a handheld turned down to 2 watts, and a better antenna, an antenna as basic as a $15 tape measure beam.
All handmade, right?
All handmade. Plans are all over the place to make them. It's been exciting. I'll be giving my 100th formal presentation here next month.
Excellent.
It's just been that exciting of an aspect of the hobby for us. So the Ultimate Radio, you have it. The THD 72 is the only true full duplex radio. Meaning when you key the mic, you can hear the other band with an earpiece.
Yes, yes,
The 74
yes.
doesn't do this. The $100 more 74 doesn't do that.
Okay.
But the 72 does it well in UHF, VHF, and VHF, UHF mode. So that's the ultimate.
Okay.
But again, a person can get like an FT60 as their sensitive receiver.
Yep.
And a less expensive radio to transmit and spend a little bit less money to get into it.
So you're still accounting for the Doppler, right? Manually, or how are you doing it with the D72?
On the 440 side, on transmit on birds 91 and 92, don't overthink it.
Okay.
There is a automatic frequency control built into those two birds.
Oh, okay.
If you were working at 100 watts, horizon to horizon, computer control, then you might want to adjust for Doppler.
Software might be doing that though.
You're exactly
Yeah.
right. But for us, work in the middle 6 or 7 or 8 minutes of the pass, just set it to the center frequency and you'll be doing fine.
Okay. One more question.
I'll try.
How much of an improvement is going from the homemade tape measure to the Arrow? Or I guess simplicity, ease of use, it makes your life easier?
Gain of enjoyment, pun intended. Hooking up my radio to the tape measure beam, I heard the NOAA weather station in San Diego for the first time ever in my life.
Oh.
So it's incremental changes.
Okay.
The elk and the arrow are just phenomenally.
And the Arrow is the one that's forward, right? This is the Arrow, and then the Elk's the one that's practically
Has the
vertical.
cross beam.
Yes.
And the elk is the wonderful log periodic. Just remember with the elk, the feed point's at the front. I've had some customers buy it. And
No, yeah, sure.
It's funny having the feed point at the front. Because of its narrower bandwidth, the Arrow is a little nicer at capturing the initial couple minutes of the bird.
Okay.
Just because the elk, by design, has a wider frequency range.
Yeah.
But either are wonderful investments for your FM work.
Yeah, Clint, thank you for answering my questions. Do you have a website? I know you gave me your card.
Worksat.com,
Okay.
work-sat.com, or give me a call at 909-999-SATS.
Well, that makes it easy.
And don't ask me what numbers those are, but 909-999-SATS.
Right, and you're going to be on Ham Nation, you said.
Ham Nation, August 1st.
Okay.
Another birthday show, and talking about today's event and working in the easy to work FM birds.
Terrific. Okay, thank you so much.
This is great. Thank you.
Yeah, I'm holding the camera, but there we go. Thank you.
Hey there. My first name is Jennifer.
How you doing?
Good. You look familiar, and I don't know why.
YouTube. Right?
Jennifer, your call sign.
About things?
Yes. Why does everybody hate the Balfang radio?
Probably a kilo.
I hate it. It's cheap. If I break it, I'm not worried.
That's what I made the video
You notice that
using,
1960 on these,
that was my first radio. I made the video talking about the arguments people make against Balfang. I was trying to be as objective as possible.
Okay.
Oh, okay, so A091, you've got it. Oh, that's smart. You've got them all queued up in that thing. That's a great idea.
It's not high tech like the Kohl's department store that has those.
Oh, the reflashable e-inks? Yeah. Terrific.
Small dip in the background noise, and you'll start hearing voices, and that's when we can start transmitting.
Am I at the right angle?
Yep. So it hasn't hit the horizon yet.
Okay.
You're gonna have to move as it moves.
I don't see anything.
Oh, yeah, that's true.
Okay.
Like waggle. Oh, I hear it.
There it is.
No voices yet.
But you heard that dip in the background.
Heard the dip,
That's it.
yeah.
That's it. You captured it. There she is. There she is. W6HRO 1.13.
Comet NCG for donating all of the food for today's festivities. And Don Cruz, are you here, Don? Hello, Donnie on Mount Vernon, Chino.
So I just won a gift certificate, so for ICOM. So I think I'm gonna buy the desktop speaker for my 7300. Matching speaker, I think. I think I'm gonna buy that. Oh, I'm so flippin' tired. Whew. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, my car is so hot. all these business cards, contacts. Wow. Okay. Let's get the air going while I talk to you. So that was awesome. I've never actually sat and talked to Gordon West one-on-one ever. So that was the first time of that, which I actually had something to talk to him about. That wanted to thank him for making his books and mentioned to him that much of the ham radio crash course used his content to get their license. So awesome to you guys that bought those books and used his stuff, which I support and like. 103 degrees outside right now. And this is colder than it was this afternoon. He gave me extra, and he signed it. Where is it? Right there, bam. Very cool. Got to talk to Clint, who just happened to meet. He gave me a $10 discount on an Arrow backpack antenna. So guess who got an Arrow backpack antenna? Me. I also won the ICOM giveaway. So not only did I get a mug with a USB drive, I got a $50 gift certificate to ICOM. Wow, guys, what a day. Well, I'd say that was a successful ham jam. Thanks a lot to Ham Radio Outlet for putting that on, and then all of the sponsors, the companies that gave giveaways. It was fun talking to ICOM and Gordon West and lots of other people. Hey guys, so that'll do it for the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Check out the Ham Radio Crash Course on Facebook, Discord, Instagram. The links are all in the description. And yeah, a lot of fun. All right, that'll do it. Josh, KI6NAZ, Hash Nasi. I'm out of here. See ya.